to all of you. Today we'll solve a question related to the hydroelectric topic. The question is that the surge tank are not substitute for firebase. Second one is the pumped storage power plant are a boom to power generation. Third is one. The water hammer in a penstock is not dangerous. Fourth is one. The Kaplan turbines are used in low head power plant. Here basically what we have to do four statements are given. We have to select the correct option. It may be the four all statement correct, it may be the two statement correct, it may be the three statement correct. It's totally depend on your concept on this topic. So here I'll talking about the concept as well as the explanation of this question. So if we're talking about the surge tank, what is surge tank and what is the forebase? If we look the figure number 1 and figure number 2, here the firebase is given and here the storage tank, that is surge tank, is given. The function are different of surge tank and the firebase tank, but both tank are store water. This is also store water and this one, that is firebase, is also store water. Surge tank is basically the substitute of the firebase. Okay. Now we are moving on the next statement. The pumped storage power plant are a boom to power generation. That is, this is correct. And the water hammer in penstock is not dangerous. So this is the conceptual question. That is conceptual statement. Water hammer in penstock is not dangerous. We look the concept behind it. This is the penstock which is connected to the dam and the power station. In this pipe, the water come from the upstream of the dam to the and go in the power station for generation of the electricity. In this penstock, a surge tank is given. Why it is given? Because if we sudden close the penstock for any disturbance in the power plant, then it may be the chance of the pressure in the penstock burst the penstock. So due to this reason, we have to provide a surge tank when we sudden close this penstock, then the pressure and the water are filled in this pump, in this tank. So it is important. It is not dangerous. It is helpful for the penstock. So water hammer in the penstock is not dangerous. No, it is dangerous. That's why we are providing here a surge tank. Okay. Now let's move on the last option. The Kaplan turbine are used in low head power plant. Okay. For this statement, I have given here the table for the explanation. Turbine is a two type: impulse turbine and the reaction turbine. In reaction turbine, there are two types of turbine: Francis turbine and the Kaplan turbine. And in the impulse turbine, there are two example of the Pelton. The type of energy at the inlet of the turbine, the kinetic energy is available. Only kinetic energy is available in the impulse turbine, that is Pelton wheel turbine, and the kinetic and pressure energy, both energy are available at the inlet of the reaction turbine. Maybe the Francis turbine and the Kaplan turbine. If we're talking about the head, the Pelton wheel turbine is a high head turbine. Here we look, the head is lies between, that is greater than 250 meter to 1000 meter, and the Francis turbine is a medium head turbine and the Kaplan turbine is a low head turbine. So reaction turbine is a two type. It may be the medium head and it may be the low head. Now if we're talking about the discharge, the Pelton wheel turbine, low discharge turbine, and the Francis turbine is a medium discharge turbine, and the Kaplan turbine is a high discharge turbine. Direction of flow, the Pelton wheel is tangential to run, and the Francis turbine is a radial flow. It may be the mixed flow, and the Kaplan turbine is axial flow. If you have problem for understanding this tangential, radial, and mixed and axial flow, then I'll upload a next video for this, because due to the time constraint, I cannot explain here all these things. If we're talking about the specific speed, the Pelton wheel turbine is a low specific speed turbine, and the medium specific speed turbine is a Francis, and the high specific speed turbine is a Kaplan turbine. So all this explanation, we have to summarize all these things in this four options. Surge tank are not substitute of firebase. This is wrong, because surge tank is a substitute of firebase. Pump storage power plant are a boon to power generation. Correct. Water hammer in a pen stove is not dangerous. Dangerous. This is wrong. The Kaplan turbine are used in low head power plant. That is correct. Low head power plant. If we look, the Kaplan turbine is a low head, low head power plant. Thank you guys. Here option is 2 and 4 is correct. Thank you guys. If you want to more video, please comment and subscribe my channel and like my video and share also.